cat. This is her name's Winter. What a cutie. But anyway, so we decided to get her some gifts because she deserves it. So we got her this cat tower. She loves it. It provides much entertainment, but also, like, you see that little box thing? That's called a cat condo, which I thought was really funny. I'm sorry, is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? It's Winter in an orange. We also got her this pumpkin, but sis did not like it. Now this one might just be the best thing ever. It's a cat backpack and it's expandable so your cat can like walk around. Yeah, who wants to see winter adventures? Also, we got her this fountain. Okay, bye.
Nice.
Okay, y'all, this is a sign that if you have a cat, you should get them an Apple AirTag and put it on their collar. It's really cheap. It was only like $30. And I'll show you like what it looks like in the Find My iPhone or Find My Friends. Hang on. Okay, so she'll come up on my Find My Friends app, and then too, if I can't find her, I hit the play sound button and she literally starts ringing. So yeah, very helpful. I kind of lost her the first week I had her and I was so scared, but she was under my bed the whole time. So I got the AirTag and I've literally never had that problem again. It also makes me feel way better when I'm not home if I could just check on her real quick and make sure she's at the house. So 10 out of 10, link in bio.
I like to call this my struggle cuddle sweatshirt.
Today we're sharing some of our favorite cat Amazon products. First, we're going to start off with these food enhancement lick mats. You can use these mats for everyday meals or you can keep them to use for special treats. Our cats really enjoy these mats and it probably takes them about double the time for them to finish their food. Next up, this window perch. Our cats absolutely love this thing and it's super easy to install and renter friendly. The blanket is easily removable and trust me, this thing can hold your chunky cat. Next is our cat's favorite product. We actually bought 2 of these, removed the middle, and turned it into a cat bunk bed. One thing we love about this bed is how easily transferable it is. We always take it in the car whenever we're traveling. And last, for anyone with cat allergies, this Burt's Bees dander reducing spray is a must-have for you. All you do is spray it on your hand and rub it on your cat's coat. All of these products can be found linked in our bio.
Unboxing the coolest litter box.
Marvelous.
I bought it from Amazon. Going to buy a plant. Upgrading the soil. Watering the plant. Most importantly, adding the clay litter. Matilda approves.